Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a video that is sure to stir some interesting discussions. Today, we've embarked on a journey to explore the latest offering from Apple, the highly anticipated Apple Watch Ultra. While this shiny new toy has generated a tremendous amount of hype, we believe it's important to shine a light on the potential drawbacks that shouldn't be ignored. We're here to present you with an honest and balanced perspective, so you can make an informed decision before jumping on the bandwagon. If, after watching this video, you still feel compelled to purchase the Apple Watch Ultra, fair enough, as there are undeniably many positives to consider. The link to purchase will be provided below in the description for those interested. And for all you fans of thought-provoking and controversial content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Without further delay, let's delve right into the fascinating world of the Apple Watch Ultra and uncover its potential downsides. Price. When it comes to price, the Apple Watch Ultra stands as one of the most expensive models ever released by Apple. Priced at a hopping $800 for the GPS Plus cellular version, it certainly demands a hefty investment. What sets it apart from the Series 8 and Southeast models is the absence of a GPS-only option, further limiting your choices. To put things into perspective, the Apple Watch Series 8 is available at a more affordable $400. That means for the price of one Apple Watch Ultra, you could own two Series 8 watches. A considerable difference indeed. One would expect the Apple Watch Ultra's steep price to be justified by advanced features, catering to the mainstream user. However, it seems that most of its new features are tailored specifically to extreme sports enthusiasts. While these functionalities might be enticing to adventure seekers, the average user might find them less relevant to their everyday lives. Considering the significant dent it would make in your wallet unless you have some extra cash lying around, the expensive price tag of the Apple Watch Ultra serves as a reasonable deterrent. It's essential to assess whether the features and benefits align with your specific needs before making such a substantial investment. Bigger doesn't equal better. As you may have noticed, the Apple Watch Ultra stands out as one of the largest devices in the Apple Watch lineup, featuring a substantial 49mm case size. However, when it comes to smartwatches, bigger doesn't always mean better, and this holds true for the Ultra model. While a larger display may be desirable for smartphones, the same cannot be said for smartwatches. Most individuals prefer a smartwatch that seamlessly integrates into their daily lives without becoming a distracting centerpiece on their wrists. Despite the 49mm case size, the Apple Watch Ultra surprisingly offers only a slightly larger display area than the Series 8 model. This raises the question of whether the increase in size truly enhances the overall user experience or if it simply adds unnecessary bulk to your wrist. If you're in search of a more compact and discreet smartwatch, one that doesn't demand the same attention as your smartphone, it might be wise to steer clear of the Apple Watch Ultra. Opting for a smaller and more refined model, such as the Series 8, could provide the balance you seek between functionality and a seamless integration into your lifestyle. Comes in a single finish. It seems that for reasons unknown, the Apple Watch Ultra offers only a single finish option. Unlike its predecessor, the 2021 Apple Watch Series 7, which feature a sleek space black titanium finish, the Ultra model limits you to titanium natural. In contrast, the Series 8 and Apple Watch Southeast provide a broader range of finishes to suit different tastes. With options like Midnight, Starlight, Silver, and Product, these models offer a more versatile selection. Moreover, the Series 8 allows you to choose between aluminum and stainless steel, further expanding your customization possibilities. Unfortunately, the lack of options to personalize the appearance of the Apple Watch Ultra may be a drawback for those seeking a device that syncs seamlessly with their individual style. While the Ultra does allow for customization through a variety of bands offered by Apple and third-party manufacturers, the limited finish options might not provide the level of customization some users desire. Size. In their quest to incorporate a larger battery and additional buttons, Apple has made a conscious decision to increase the size of the Apple Watch Ultra compared to its counterpart, the Series 8. This choice results in a bulkier device that may not align with the desire for a compact and effortless smartwatch experience. To put things into perspective, the total weight of the Apple Watch Ultra stands at 61.3 grams, while the 45mm model of the stainless steel Apple Watch Series 8 weighs a comparatively lighter 51.5 grams. This may come as a surprise considering that titanium is generally known to be 45% lighter than stainless steel. For individuals seeking a sleek and lightweight smartwatch that seamlessly integrates into their daily lives, the Apple Watch Ultra might not be the ideal choice. The added bulk and weight may compromise the comfort and ease of wear that most people desire from their smartwatches. Sensors. As we mentioned earlier, the Apple Watch Ultra is packed with a range of cutting-edge features aimed primarily at athletes, adventurers, and explorers. However, for the majority of individuals, these additional motion and depth sensors may not be necessary or practical in their day-to-day lives. Take, for instance, the Retina display of the Apple Watch Ultra, boasting a maximum brightness of 2000 nits. While impressive, a brightness of 1000 nits is more than sufficient for most people's needs. Similarly, the 86-decibel siren designed to attract attention might not be a requirement for the average user. One could still adequately prepare their Apple Watch for emergencies without these Ultra features. It's worth considering whether features like a depth gauge, water temperature sensor, and the Oceanic Plus app would truly resonate with regular users. While intriguing, they may not be relevant or essential in their everyday lives. Meanwhile, it's important to note that the Series 8 offers several useful features that cater to a broader audience. Features such as crash detection, ECG app, and cycle tracking are also available on the Series 8, providing valuable functionality without the need to opt for the Apple Watch Ultra. And that's a wrap on today's insightful video. We hope you enjoyed our comprehensive exploration of the Apple Watch Ultra. Now it's time to hear from you. Will you be purchasing this impressive device, or have you already made your decision? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to leave a like on your way out. It helps us create more engaging content like this. And if you want to stay updated on the latest tech reviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to catching you in the next exciting video. Until then, stay tech savvy and keep exploring.